Hi, welcome to AI Lessons for Kids with AI Erik. Let's get started.
AI Kids Lesson Number 3, Screen Time and Family Time. Help children develop healthy tech habits with AI Erik. In this colorful lesson, kids follow 3 diverse families learning to balance screen time with family connections. Through engaging scenarios, children discover when to put devices down, how family interaction builds stronger brains, simple rules for healthy screen habits, perfect for classrooms or home discussions.
Billy, time to put away the tablet. Remember what AI Erik says about too much screen time?
Billy puts down the tablet and starts to play a board game with his brother.
You're right, Mom. AI Erik says my brain grows better when I talk with people and read books instead of always looking at screens.
Great job, Billy. Playing games with your family helps you learn to take turns, solve problems, and understand how other people feel. Maya is so busy with her tablet that she doesn't notice her brother wants to share something special with her.
Maya, remember what AI Erik taught us about screens and family time?
You're right, Dad. AI Erik says real connections with people are more important than screen time. Let me see your drawing.
Look at Dad watching his daughters paint and do work that makes their brains work.
Wonderful choice, Maya. Creating art together helps your imagination grow in ways that just watching videos never could.
Kevin Lou is playing a game on his tablet during dinner time. His food is getting cold while his family tries to talk to him.
Kevin is missing out on family conversations because he's focused on his tablet during dinner time.
Kevin, what does AI Erik say about screens during family meals?
AI Erik says mealtime is for talking and connecting with family. I should put my tablet away until after dinner.
That was a good choice, Kevin.
Healthy screen habits. 1. No screens during meals with family. 2. Screens go away at least 1 hour before bedtime. 3. Read books, play outside, and talk with people more than you use screens. 4. When a person wants to talk to you, put down your screen and look at them. 5. Remember, your brain is more amazing than any tablet or phone. Thank you, boys and girls. This is AI Kids Lesson Number 3. I'll see you at Lesson Number 4.